Kalakwatser, look, paracetamol, my headache. Ba't kailangan magsimba? Samahan niyo kami. Second Sunday again. It's a second Sunday Mass here in Belthoven Filipino community, and we will bless also Father Patrick bless all those birthday celebrants from August and September. Happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday.
A few moments later.
Siyempre, pagkatapos ng mas na may kainan, especially may birthday-han, di ba? So, ayan ang lechon. Thank you sa sponsor sa lechon. Say cheese, picture. Ayan, blessing at kainan na ng lechon. Ay, si Father Pat pa naghiwa ng lechon. Ang galing. Maraming salamat, Mary, sa palechon. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, at maraming salamat din sa mga dumalo o umattend. Thank you guys. See you next month.